Hey everyone, my name is Nicholas Reed. I'm the CEO here at 253 Media, and over the last 10 years, I've worked with more than 100 different brands across more than 20 different industries to drive millions of dollars in sales using our targeted digital growth strategies. About 4 years ago now, I launched this agency, 253 Media, to help businesses focus on three key areas of online growth. The first area that we focus on is actually your website. At 253 Media, we believe that the website is the core of any business online, and it's really the key to ultimate online efficiency. Think about it. You can have the best ad campaign in the world, you can have the best email marketing, you can even have the best referral system, but if people are landing on your website and they don't have that wow factor that they're looking for, they're not going to become a customer, which means your brand is not going to grow online. At 253 Media, we solve this problem by creating incredible websites that have a perfect blend between beauty and performance to make sure that when someone does land on your website, they have that incredible experience that they're expecting and they have no choice but to become a customer. From there, we focus our energy over on Facebook. Our team of media buyers implements structured scaling strategies that have helped numerous e-commerce brands all over the world scale their sales to new heights that they didn't even think were possible before. We're able to do this because we focused first on the website. We know the website's not going to be a pinch point, so that when we drive hundreds of thousands of people to our clients' websites every single day, we know that website is going to perform incredibly well and make sure that our marketing efforts and your marketing dollars are working as efficiently as possible to grow your brand as efficiently as possible. Now, the last area that we focus our efforts on is going to be your SEO. SEO is a long-term strategy that's helped hundreds of brands all over the world get in front of people who are actively searching for what they're selling. Whether you're selling a product or a service, people are searching for things every single day that they are ready to purchase. Our job here is to help those brands get in front of people, increase their rankings, and make sure that people who are searching for what they are selling are actually landing on their website. Now, if this sounds like something that your brand could use some help with, if you need help with your website, if you need help with your Facebook ads, or even if you need some help with your SEO, our team is here and waiting to get in touch with you so we can help you implement an improved marketing strategy. Get in touch with us today at 253media.com.